Hello everyone, Caleb here with Texas Quality Assurance, and this video is going to be kind of a brief introduction about the calibration and maintenance area. As you can see right over here, it does say new calibration and maintenance area. This is because as of, I believe, January of this year, we made a whole new area for calibration and maintenance. It used to be kind of just this minor list in the QMS management area that, you could set when the dates were due and stuff like that. But what we've done most recently is if you click on just the name here, you can actually see that it's got a report, and this is pretty similar to the competence and training area. So one of the big updates that we added was the ability to track calibration and maintenance. And really, before you had the limitation of only selecting the date on a calendar for when something was due. The system would, check to see if it's that date, and if it is, then it would show you, something's due. Well, with the new calibration maintenance area, whenever you go to enter in the type of maintenance, you select on the interval which type of interval. So we've got two separate types. We have the old type, which is the date on a calendar, so that's the date type interval, and then we have the new type, which is quantity. And what we mean by quantity is, let's say you have a truck. That quantity would be miles. So you'd say, every 10,000 miles, every 8,000 miles, change the oil, or every 30,000 miles, rotate the tires, or whatever. I don't know if those are accurate numbers there. Don't remember that, but now you have the ability to go off of hours, miles, days, like any type of count. So you'd say, okay, every 30,000 miles or every 100 hours, we want to change the blade on this saw or sharpen the blade, that kind of thing. So now you have the ability to use either a quantity type interval or a date type. So that's the big change. This equipment list here is going to match up to kind of the old equipment list. It's got a device ID. Now you will need to import those items. The best way to do that is going to be, through the grid view. Just reach out to us if you need help with that. So you'll just put in, kind of the device ID here, the status. It's only going to, go for active equipment, and then just some of this other descriptor information. Get that sorted over, and then you'll want to build out your tasks list, and then you'll get your accurate calibration log. So we're going to go over that stuff specifically in another video, so be on the lookout for those, but just wanted to give you kind of a brief overview of the differences between the new style and the old style of the calibration and maintenance area. So thanks for listening, and have a good day.